Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, this video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphone's pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure your phone has been locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and you have tried a lots of video on YouTube and other video streaming to unlock your smartphone, but still now you're not success to unlock your smartphone. So don't worry at all. The new method which has been appeared in our service center is most updated to unlock your smartphone. I'm going to give you this trick in this video, but you will have to follow the every step properly. So watch this video properly and carefully till the end. Okay. And the main thing is that by this method you are not going to losing any data of your smartphone, and you don't have to go any service center. And the main thing is that by this method you don't need to pay a single penny by this method. Okay, so let's start this method. This method is known as offline unlocking method. So firstly, your phone's all the networks should be switched off. Now you can see here my phone is showing here Wi-Fi network and telecommunication network. So firstly, simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this, and when you will switch your phone downside, you can see here sorry, you can see here there is an option of a airplane mode. Simply you will have to activate your phone's airplane mode like this. Now after activating your phone's airplane mode, now you can see here phones all the network like telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network has been switched off. Now your phone is ready to go with the master unlocking method and master unlocking page. Okay, so how will you go with the master unlocking page? Simply you will have to click on emergency SOS option, and you will have to open your phone's dialing pad like this. Now a very special USSD code what I am going to give you. This USSD code which will switch your phone to the master unlocking mode page, and this USSD code is *#899 then #. Now you can see here after feeding this number *#899 a new page has been appeared on my phone display, and there are also a lots of options on this page, but you will have to go with the option of a manual test option. And when you will go with the manual test option, you will reach to a new page, and the page name is engineers mode page, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of others which will comes at the end of the slide. Now you can see here others option has been appeared, and there are also a 5 type of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of a main board version, or it's also known as database version. Simply you will have to click on this main board version or database version 9 times rapidly like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Now you can see here there is another option of a read at important log test option at the second number. Simply you will have to click on this option, and at the first time when you will click on this option, you will ask to confirm here, but firstly you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here. At the second time again you will have to cancel here, and the third time again you will have to cancel here. But at the fourth time when you will go with this read at important log test option, you will have to go with the OK button. Now after going with the OK button, you can see here there is an option, there is a pop-up of showing here that is wrong password pop-up. It means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and passwords are on reconstruction mode. Now the very last step what I'm going to give you is most important, and for this simply you will have to slide your phone left side like this, and you will have to reach to the device debugging option. Now you can see here in this page there is an option of a sensor self-test and calibration option at the 6th number. Simply you will have to click on this option, and when you will click on this option, it will show you 3 option or 1 option or 2 options, and all the option will be showing here operation not started. So simply you will have to start these operation, and you will have to continue click on these option until you get a single test passed message. Okay, so I'm going to click on these option. Test has been started, test failed, test has been started, test failed, test has been started, and test passed. Now you can see here a single test passed has been appeared on my phone display. It means my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my smartphone as it is my smartphone. So I'm going to show you here. Simply you will have to go with the home button at the bottom of the phone. Simply you will have to click here. Now you can see here this phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application as it is as in my smartphone. So this trick really works, and if your smartphone unlocked with the help of this video, then do the like this video, and if you're facing any issues, then make us comment in our comment box. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.